Have you ever found yourself repeating the same tasks over and over, wishing there was a faster way? Or maybe you have spent hours trying to craft the perfect instruction for an artificial intelligence tool only to feel stuck. That is where OnlyPrompts comes in. This platform is designed to save time, boost creativity, and eliminate the frustration of starting from scratch. With access to a massive library of ready-made prompts, it promises to become your shortcut to productivity. What makes OnlyPrompts so appealing is its scale. Instead of wasting energy building every instruction by hand, you can access more than 150,000 prompts covering over 37,000 tasks. Whether you are writing blog posts, running marketing campaigns, handling research, or managing business processes, the library offers targeted solutions that are ready to use. Customization is another strong point. You can test prompts side by side, refine them, and save the ones that deliver the best results. This flexibility means you can adapt generic instructions into personalized workflows that match your exact needs. It also ensures you are not tied to a single way of doing things, but instead can explore different directions quickly. OnlyPrompts also supports multiple large language models, so you can switch between providers such as GPT, Gemini, Claude, and others without jumping between platforms. This creates a seamless way to experiment and maximize results. To make things even smoother, the platform includes organization tools like custom folders and built-in optimization features that help rewrite, expand, and improve prompts instantly. By combining these capabilities, OnlyPrompts turns repetitive work into a streamlined process. The best part is the affordability of the lifetime deal on AppSumo. Instead of paying recurring subscription costs across different tools, you can secure permanent access to this extensive prompt library with a single purchase. That means no ongoing fees while still enjoying new updates and fresh prompts regularly. If you want to cut down on wasted time, improve productivity, and give your creativity a reliable boost, OnlyPrompts is a smart choice. Do not keep struggling to create the perfect instruction from scratch. Lock in the AppSumo Lifetime Deal today and watch your workflow transform.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for Lifetime Deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.